Hi everybody! In this video, we're going to learn how to ask questions using have. Okay, let's look at the board. When we are talking about he, she, or it, the question always begins with does. After the pronoun, we have. So we say, does he have? Does she have? Does it have? Now let's practice with this question and let's look at the two answers. Okay, does he have a friend? If the answer is yes, we say yes. In the blank, we match. This has to be the same. Yes, he does. If the answer is no, no, he doesn't. Does she have a friend? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Does it have a friend? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Okay, so remember does, have. Now, when we use you, we, they, we use do in the front and have after. Do you have a friend? Do we have a friend? Do they have a friend? Okay, and again, we have two answers. We finish with do or don't. So, do you have a friend? Yes, I do, right? The question is asking you. So you say, I do, or no, I don't. Do we have a friend? Yes, we do. Or no, we don't. And last, do they have a friend? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Okay, let's move on to some more practice. Let's try this practice together. I know it looks hard, but I'm going to help you. Okay, so let's look at the first practice. It's a question. Okay, so remember, when we ask a question, we begin with do or does. Okay, we have she. Well, remember, for all questions, we use have. In the front, should we use does or do? The answer is does. Does she have a dress? When we answer yes, what do we put here? Remember, we put the pronoun she. And the answer does. Yes, she does. The next one, we have they. Okay, have is again the same. Have a bicycle. Okay, what goes in the front? For they, we use do. Do they have a bicycle? This time, the answer is negative. No, they... What do we put here? It doesn't make sense to say do, right? No, they do. That's wrong. It's a negative. We have to say no, they don't. No, they do not. Okay, and again, we have over here. It. Which one, do or does? The answer is does. Does it have a ball? Again, the answer is negative. No, it does not. Or the contraction, no, it doesn't. Okay, so that was our practice for asking questions with have. I hope you understand, and I'll see you in the next video.